how to buy Nimbus AI token. So this token came under the symbol of NAI. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description box. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following their updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on the explainer here. So as you can see, this token, it's created just in the 4 hours ago, and it's increased by 29%, 29,000, sorry guys, percent in the last 24 hours. As you can see, the liquidity here unlocked by 98%. That's good. That's mean your investment in a safe place. The market cap, it's $6.5 million and the volume is $2.7 million. Now to be able to buy this token, copy the token like this from here, and as you can see, this token, it's under the Ethereum network. Now open your wallet. For that, I will use the Bitget wallet. After that, go to your wallet, select the Ethereum as a network. Now click on this plus icon. After that, paste the token like this here, and as you can see, this is our token. Now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added right now. So this is our token. Click on it. After that, click on swap, switch from here, and here select the token that you want to buy with. For example, USDT, but make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet, and here type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds to be able to see how much you receive. So this is how much you receive the token. After that, click on buy now, and you will buy the token without any issue. So this is how to buy Nimbus AI token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.